Inside the classrooms of Houston City College, the future is already taking shape. AI, robotics labs, advanced manufacturing, all that and more. Students are getting the skills to prepare themselves for the jobs of the future. At Houston City College, the future is already in motion. Students train with artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, automation technology, and industry-level equipment while learning directly from experienced faculty who understand the rapidly evolving workforce. From programming robotic systems to hands-on technical training, HCC students are discovering that innovation is opening doors to high-demand careers.
We have the privilege at HCC to be one of the few community colleges in Texas that has the NSA National Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense. We had to prepare curriculum that is directly related to what hiring managers are asking for our students to have. So joining a program that has that distinction ensures that our students are graduating with the skills and talent that the current hiring managers in our industry are looking for.
HCC was the first college in Texas to launch an Associates of Applied Science in Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, and the first community college in the U.S. to offer a Bachelor of Applied Technology in AI and Robotics, positioning the institution at the forefront of programs designed to prepare the next generation of tech leaders.
I ended up becoming the first in the nation to earn this degree from a community college in AI and robotics. It wasn't just a degree that I got from here, it was a very great experience.
AI advancements were on full display this spring as HCC brought industry leaders, educators, and students together at the West Loop campus for its annual Artificial Intelligence Symposium and Expo.
AI knowledge and skills are going to be fundamental. There's going to be an explosion of job opportunities. We're already starting to see that out in industry today, but it is that different skill, that different knowledge that is needed.
The symposium drew in more than 300 attendees who participated in engaging workshops and meaningful conversations around AI and saw inspiring student presentations rooted in research and real-world solutions.
My project is PriceRx.io, and it is a project to demystify healthcare pricing.
This event wasn't just for students. Industry partners also consider forums like this vital to their success.
You have an amazing instructor pool here. You have real people who understand the problems, they understand how to inspire the students. Everybody's using AI. The thing about HCC is you're teaching the students how to build and develop in that environment now. You have a lot of tools and technology.
Technology powers nearly every part of our daily lives, but with innovation comes risk. Cybersecurity professionals describe the field as a constant race between safeguarding systems and those attempting to breach them. Houston City College is preparing the next generation of defenders through its cutting-edge cybersecurity programs.
We just have now a new Security Operations Center. Not many colleges can say that. We have the robotics labs and AI. So you can see that HCC was always striving to stay up the trend, always pushing to some of the most recent technology advancements.
From classrooms to boardrooms to manufacturing floors, HCC is showing students how to power industry through advanced manufacturing training and partnerships with leaders like Tesla. Yes, Tesla at HCC, connecting students directly to real-world opportunity. Recently, a dozen HCC advanced manufacturing students earned certificates of completion to work at Tesla's Megafactory, Texas, where the company is manufacturing its energy storage unit, Megapack 3.
Tesla's very innovative. I know I can grow within the company, and I know the opportunities that I have. You know, I do want to become an engineer one day, and I feel this position here is perfect for me.
Building on success of this new program, HCC and Tesla are already planning to increase enrollment from a dozen to 250 students through the remainder of the year.
I think with the partnership that Houston City College has developed with Tesla, it's like none other. So you wouldn't be able to get this kind of quality training. They're ensuring that you have exactly what you need. There's still a lot to learn, but this gives you the specific steps in order to be successful.
What begins with hands-on training for Tesla continues at the Stafford campus, where advanced manufacturing programs and the fabrication lab equip students with the tools to design, build, and innovate for today's high-tech industries.
We have 9 industrial printers as well as 1 consumer-grade printers. So this provides students with machinery as well as guidance from both staff and employers.
If you're thinking about getting into a career field that is more hands-on, I would say just go ahead and get started by having professors that have been in the field. So they oftentimes will relay real-world circumstances that have happened in their careers to how we should be able to handle it in our careers moving forward.
Fall registration is now underway for Houston City College, and accessibility and affordability are one of our main concerns. Many of our Level 1 certifications are now at no-cost tuition. For more information on all of our registration and to register today, log on to HCCS.EDU. I'm Todd Duplantis. Back to you in the studio.
Okay, pretty cool. Todd Duplantis with Houston City College. Thank you so much for that.
You know what's crazy is that there's so many options these days for people to continue their career or learn about what they want to do very much earlier, I feel, than when I went to college and stuff. So it's pretty incredible.
Also staying on the cutting edge, because so many of the jobs of tomorrow don't even exist right now. But if you know the technology and the software behind it, you're setting yourself up for success.
And to get that experience, because you know companies want you to already have experience before the job. There you go.
Hands-on.
Pretty
Nothing
amazing.
like it.
Yeah.